How many liters of oil will a cylindrical drum of radius 21 centimeter and height 10 centimeter contain? Now, anytime you are asked how many liters of something or how many centimeter cube will something contain, that's basically volume of that shape. Does that make sense? Remember, I told you that volume is the amount of substance a container would can contain. Does that make sense? So basically what you are asked here is to find the volume of the cylindrical drum. Can we do that? Now, what's the volume of a cylinder? What's the formula? We have volume equals to pi r square h. I hope you've not forgotten. Base area times height. Alright, so what were we given from the question? We know that the radius is 21 centimeters. We know that the height is 10 centimeters. In this question also, we're not given pi. So we can decide to take pi as, if we like, 22/7. Does this make sense? So we slot this into the formula. We'll be having volume equals to pi 22/7, radius 21 square, height 10/1. Do you understand? So we have volume equals to 22/7 times 21 square is 21 times 21. Does this make sense? Now we can have 7 year 1, 7 year 3. So we are left with 22 times 3 times 21 times 10. Can we do that? That will give us 13,860. So we have volume equals to 13,860. Now because the unit is centimeter, we'll be having centimeter cube. Does this make sense? But if we go back to the question, you'll see that we are being asked how many liters of oil. So our answer should be in liters, not centimeter cube. So we've got to convert centimeter cube to liters. Does that make sense? Now look at what I'm going to do. Now if we decide to do it somewhere here, now you've got to ask yourself how many centimeter cube is equivalent to 1 liter. So we have 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Does this make sense? So 1 liter equals to 1000 centimeter cube. What that means is that we are trying to find how many liters, I'm representing it as x, would give us 13,860 centimeter cube. Does this make sense? So centimeter cube will be under centimeter cube. So if we know that 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 centimeter cube, the question is how many liters is equivalent to 13,860 centimeter cube. So what we just do is to cross multiply. X times 1000 will give us 1000x equals to 13,860 times 1 will give us 13,860. To find x, we divide both sides by 1000. Do you understand? 1000 cancels 1000. We are left with x. Now if you look, 1000 has 3 zeros. So I can just take the points backwards. Take the decimal points backwards. 3 times 1, 2, 3. So our answer will be 13.860, which is equals to 13.86 liters. Does this make sense? So this is our answer. I hope you understand.